What if I say there's a magical bullet against cancer? Hi, I am Dr. Avni Jain, consultant nuclear medicine and theranostics at Bhaiva Lamine Cancer Center, Vadodara. We all know that cancer has its own support system, which helps the cancer to grow, to spread, and for that matter, even resist the conventional treatment options. So, my magical bullet not only attacks the tumor, but it also attacks the support system of the tumor. This is terbium-161 FAPI therapy. FAPI is a fibroblast activation protein inhibitor. This compound binds to the overactive protein called FAP, which is expressed on cancer-associated fibroblasts. This is a component of cancer support system, जिसको हम साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज में ट्यूमर माइक्रो एनवायरनमेंट कहते हैं. So FAPI binds and inhibits the FAP protein. Terbium-161 has two emissions. One, beta particle emission, जिसका penetration range लंबा है, so it takes care of the disease at a macroscopic level. Two, Auger electrons, which are small but energetic particles. They take care of disease at a microscopic level. So this is like offering a double punch to the cancer cells. This therapy is precise. That means it targets only the tumor and its support system. It spares the normal healthy tissues, which means less side effects and it is well tolerated. ये थेरेपी करने के लिए हम पहले एक स्पेशल पेट करते हैं जिसको हम फैपी पेट कहते हैं, which helps us to see the extent and the spread of the disease. 2. We have to make sure that the kidney functions and the bone marrow reserve is normal. This therapy is easily given in a daycare setting and with an intravenous approach. किस पेशेंट में हम ये थेरेपी कर सकते हैं? So it is mainly used for most aggressive and difficult to treat cancers like sarcomas, 2 pancreatic cancers, 3 breast cancers, 4 head and neck cancers, 5 colorectal cancers. So basically in those patients who have exhausted their treatment options or they are intolerant to the side effects of the conventional treatment option. So we are offering a hope in patients where traditional treatments have failed. This therapy is new and shows a great promise. We at Bhaiva Lamine Cancer Center are doing this therapy. We are the first standalone hospital in Gujarat to offer this therapy. This puts our city Vadodara on the global map of advanced cancer treatments. Thank you.